Hello guys. So today we're going to learn about step-by-step preparation of how to do IELTS, the IELTS study plan. What is IELTS? IELTS is abbreviated as International English Language Testing System. Why is IELTS necessary? It is needed to study and work in English speaking countries. So in IELTS, you need a step-by-step study plan. It comprises of the points listed below. First, you got to know the test. First point, know the test. So know the structure of the test, the modules in it. So which are the four modules? The modules consist of listening test, which comprises of four sections. The reading consists of three passages, and the writing section consists of two tasks, and the speaking is one-on-one speaking with native English speaker, which lasts about 12 to 15 minutes. And the timing in general for each module, I've already told about how much time it takes for the speaking module. So it's 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so the next one is reading module. You get 60 minutes for reading module. It's one of the toughest module unless you practice and allot time accordingly for each of the three passages. Writing module, it has two tasks: describe a graph and then an essay. And again, the allotted time is 60 minutes. The last one is speaking. Again, it can be tricky, depends upon individual, and it lasts about 12 to 15 minutes, consists of three languages. Now, what's important is learn, understand, practice all the types of questions, all the modules, and in all the modules there are different patterns of how questions are formulated, how the tests are formulated. So there are a few different types. So be aware, identify easily the type of the question, what is being asked, and do not waste time reading any of the instructions. So next step in this process of step-by-step learning is practice the test using books. So the books which I would suggest, other than the content which are available on internet and YouTube, are: first one is Cambridge IELTS book. So it's of various series: Cambridge 1, 2, 3. It goes up to 10 and 11. Then there is Barron's IELTS Super Pack, Simone bravermans Target Band 7 official Cambridge Guide to IELTS. So these are the materials which are available on which you can uh, get either online, or you can buy those books, or you can even refer the materials which are available on internet and also on YouTube. So talking about how long do you need to practice. So it is very important that once your IELTS test is 1 week or 2 weeks away, you need to focus a lot, read, write, listen, and speak in English, plunge, immerse yourself completely to English, and also spend about 3 hours of time away from your mobile phone, away from internet and all other distractions, and spend 3 hours uh, learning, practicing, and all the four modules in a setup, just like what you're gonna experience on the day of IELTS. So that's extremely important, and that helps you a lot. So the next step is to categorize. So it is very important for an individual to know what scores are needed Contact the agency, university, or the college to know your score. Also, check which one to take up for the test, academic or general. And start listening and doing actual test content once you have picked up your English. So that's a really important part. You got to practice. You can either join an agency and practice or do the self practice. But however, practicing every day using these measures are extremely important. So the next point is have a knowledge base. So in IELTS, questions can be from general topic, what is going on, the contemporary topics. So you need to read newspaper. You should have a general awareness, read a lot, and know what is happening around, so that you don't get dumbstruck, or are perplexed when you come up with a topic which you're not aware about. So the fourth point is practice and feedback. So what you got to do is read every day, listen every day, write every day, improve your handwriting while you're writing. That's important. It should be legible, and avoid spelling mistakes. Again, this is an area where individuals lose marks. And also practice writing in small letters or block letters. Either write in small letters all your content, or you can write in block letters, but it takes up time, so you got to practice it. Speak every day, speak to yourself if there is no one around, if you can't find a friend, and you can speak to yourself, record, and improve. It's also important to find someone who has completed or who has an exposure, who has had an exposure before, who is a teacher. Get feedback, take answer sheets, and check the score. It's an expensive test, so you should save money with a lot of practice. And set yourself a goal and work on it till you achieve the score. So that's another point. So the last step which I'm going to tell you is prepare mentally. Exercise the steps and do it as a project. So what to do a day before the test? So this is something which is very important. Get a good rest, relax, and get a good night's sleep a day before the test. Do not study, do not stress yourself out, don't discuss too much with your friends, don't practice too much the night before the test or the morning before the test. So these are a few tips and tricks, the steps to be followed. So it is a systematic way to do the IELTS, and hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.